Afternoon, guys. All right. Okay, so we need to crack on, and we're going to make our miniature Victoria sponges. Most of the details of this you will see in the previous video, but here's a quick recap, and let's get cooking. I need to make my miniature Victoria sponge cake. So all the ingredients weighed and measured, all at room temperature. Going to do the all-in-one method. So butter, sugar, egg, self-raising flour, a little bit of vanilla essence. Done. Transfer this into your baking tin. I'm using an old pineapple tin that I had from before, and I've greased it and floured it like I showed you in the Victoria sponge recipe, and this is essentially all it is. Pop that all into your tin, give the top a little wipe, and then that one wants baking for about 20-25 minutes depending. 180 degrees, 160 fan. So it should be ready just after the sausage rolls. Right, let's get baking. So the alarm's just gone off. It's been 25 minutes, so it's time to take everything out. And there's our cake in our little tin. We'll take that out, put that there. Right, so what we're going to do now is just leave everything to cool down, and we're done. Well, apart from finishing off the Victoria sponge cake. So all you've got to do now is gently just spread that buttercream all around the top of the base layer. Make sure you get right to the edges. Once you've spread it on nice and evenly, take the second sponge, and this time you're going to add your jam. Just spread it around, bring it out to those edges. Take your base, take the top, flip it over. Just to finish it off, just a dusting of icing sugar, and voila. There you go, guys, one simple, really quick method of making a miniature Victoria sponge cake. So I hope you enjoy it. Look forward to seeing your pictures of those cakes, and take care of yourselves. Now get in that kitchen and get cleared up. I bet it's a mess. See you soon. Bye.